Okay, so this question asks which wire aids the plank in supporting more weight? Wire A, which makes a connection to the support at the top and extends to the end of the plank, or wire B, which makes a connection to the support at the bottom and extends to the end of the plank. And if the same, mark C. So in either case, we have the same weight W, which exerts a downward force thanks to the force of gravity, and this creates a clockwise moment. And the easiest way to tell is by using something called the right hand rule, where you take your right hand and point your right thumb in the direction of the force, which in this case is downwards, and then you curl your fingers towards you, and the direction your fingers curl reveal the direction of the moment. So if you give this a try, take your right thumb and point it downwards, and curl your fingers towards you, you'll find that the moment is clockwise. So in order to counteract this, we need a counterclockwise moment. So we can analyze the tension in both wire A and wire B and see if either have components that produce a counterclockwise moment. So starting with A, we have the tension in A, which we can call TA, and we can resolve that into rectangular components X and Y. So for X, we can call this TAX, and for Y, we can call this TAY. And then we can do the same thing over in wire B, where we have the tension in wire B here. Same naming scheme, so we can call this TB, the tension in B, resolve it into its rectangular components. So this is TBX, and then we have the Y component, TBY. And then the question is, well, which of these components produce a moment? And the answer is both of the vertical components. So I'll use another color here for clarity. We have the two vertical components, TAY and TBY. And then we can apply the right-hand rule in the same manner to determine the direction of both of these moments. So starting with B, if you use the right-hand rule, it looks exactly the same as the weight. You point your right thumb downwards, you curl your fingers towards you, and you have a clockwise moment. So we know wire B is not particularly helpful. Then we look at A, do the same thing, right-hand rule, thumb upwards in this case, curl your fingers towards you, and you'll find that there is indeed a counterclockwise moment. So which wire aids the plank in supporting more weight? The answer is A, because wire A will produce a counterclockwise moment to counteract the clockwise moment of weight W.